Hello and welcome to Enthusiast Auto House and our 1979 Porsche 911 SC Coupe. This example shows just over 104,000 miles. We have a stack of receipts and maintenance records dating back to 1998. The previous owner had it for about 27 years. It's a great looking Grand Prix White over black leather interior. It has 964 D90s. It has H4 headlamps. The 3-liter flat 6 has been updated with the Carrera Chain tensioners, CIS pop-off valve, and runs excellent. Inside, the dash and steering wheel are all in nice shape. All the gauges look good. It has a period aftermarket stereo that works. It has good heat. The seats were retrimmed in black with white contrasting piping. It has the RS door cards. Oh, it also has the Carrera Oil Cooler in the front right. All the little reliability upgrades that you want to see have been done on this car. You can confidently drive it anywhere and enjoy it the whole time. So there you have it, our 1979 Porsche 911 SC Coupe.